Quality control is an essential part of the production cycle, yet very often inspection is not automated. Quality control using traditional methods such as pen and paper is outdated and time-consuming. It also leaves our hands occupied. The information is then typically transcribed to a spreadsheet or computing software. How can this process be made more efficient? Let us see how quality control compares when using two different methods. On the right, you see the traditional approach, and on the left, using Quality Control 4.0. Instead of pen and paper, the user has the help of a device and the procedure is displayed constantly in their field of view. Their hands are only occupied by the quality control test and procedures that they are performing. Forgoing the traditional method of inputting data by hand in favor of the voice-controlled and VR-supported approach drastically shortens the time required to perform the check. The RealWear headset, combined with a system like Proceedings, is an effective replacement for the traditional pen and paper approach. The engineer completes a list of pre-prepared tasks as they appear on screen, and the results are automatically sent to the company's operational systems. Over recent years, we've seen a significant increase of interest in augmented reality technology within the industrial sector. The market for AR technologies is expected to grow to $6.8 billion by 2025. Let's take a look at three main benefits of Quality 4.0. First, improve manufacturing KPIs such as overall equipment effectiveness up to 30% by using wearable and mobile technologies. Second, achieve strategic objectives and sustainability goals by digitizing manual paper-based tasks and activities. And last but not least, ensure continuity of operations in general. Remote presence through mobile devices enables distributed support and supervision at any point. This is by no means an exhaustive list, and there are many other examples that are specific to the context of a particular industry. As a whole, three elements are needed for successful Quality Control 4.0. The first, a digital toolset and omnipresent integration that will enable digital content creation and instant analytics. The second, knowledge and experience that can be built either internally or provided by external consultants to enable quick onboarding. And the last, a managerial approach which will promote an open, collaborative and inclusive working culture. By using AR technologies, you too can significantly improve the efficiency of quality control procedures in your company. That's Quality Control 4.0.